we're going to test your sense of taste by having you blindfold taste test some cured meats.
These blindfolded tastings are so hard. You rely so much on visuals when you taste, so I think it's gonna be tough. Considering I was vegetarian for the first 21 years of my life, we'll see.
Black side out.
Black side out.
Or other.
Wearing my own personal bat mask.
Bring me the meats.
Okay, ready?
I think the way that it kind of pulls apart is going to tell me a lot. So this feels like it's pulling apart into fibers.
Which is sort of telling me that it's like relatively low moisture.
Nutty, almost cheesy character.
Doesn't have like a cut edge on that side.
A deli slicer, whole muscle, long aged.
Salty, kind of smoky. This feels like a prosciutto. It smells like prosciutto. And it tastes like prosciutto. I'm gonna go with Nature's Cheese prosciutto.
Prosciutto. So I can tell you without tasting, I think that this one is prosciutto.
99% sure that this is prosciutto.
The smell on it is kind of smoky though, and prosciutto doesn't get smoke, so
I'm gonna call this like Serrano ham.
It tastes like speck.
Salami picante?
I want to say this is like, it reminds me of Benton's country ham. Is that?
It's country ham.
Yeah?
Oh, Christ.
Oh, you fucker.
You're the first person to get this.
The smokiness. To me, it's the smokiness that gives it away.
Little guy.
Little guy.
It's hard.
That's a hard nub.
I know that this is some kind of thin diameter link.
And it smells like there's some kind of like spice situation in here.
I'm thinking it's like a saucisson, some kind of French situation.
Kind of livery smell.
I'm really channeling Chris. Is Chris so good at this? It's probably the best.
It's a weird little dude here.
Huh. What is this?
There's like a fried rice dish at a Great New York Noodle Town that smells exactly like this. Like it almost smells like Chinese five spice.
I feel like I taste wine. I don't know what this is. It's like, it's really sweet.
I'm going towards like the east.
The only name for this is bad. It's dry as sawdust. It has very little going on flavor-wise.
I've never had anything like this. I have no guesses.
I don't know. Maybe it's a Slim Jim. I'm going to go with Slim Jim.
Is this a Slim Jim?
Fancy Slim Jim.
Not exactly sure what it is.
Some shitty version of like a Landjager, like one of those kinds of salamis, you know?
What the hell is this? Chinese sausage or something?
Chinese sausage.
Is it Chinese sausage?
Lapchang.
Chinese sausage, maybe?
You got it.
Oh, I got one! Whoa! Okay, I was just pulling that out of my ass.
Ah, the sweetness, the lapchang. I should have known that it's lapchang. I had lapchang on Saturday. Ah, I hate losing.
This one feels like it has kind of a finished edge.
Kind of similar to the first. Definitely a little greasier, which makes me think there's either higher fat content or it's like treated with some kind of oil or something.
Fat pockets?
So is that the casing I'm getting?
That smells more salami-ish.
Oh, it's got a little bit of heat.
Is that hot capicola?
Because it's got that tang to it. It's thinly sliced. It's got a good amount of fat. I'm gonna go with soppressata.
Soppressata.
Hot soppressata?
You got it.
Ah!
Maybe soppressata.
Salami.
I'm gonna say salami.
Whether you want to call this hot soppressata or like pepperoni, I feel like would be a matter of semantics.
Damn, I have no idea what this is.
This is prosciutto. No. Maybe it's a little too funky. I don't think it's prosciutto anymore. But I also don't know what it is.
It's not the texture of spicy soppressata. It tastes kind of like pepperoni, but it's also not the texture of pepperoni. You know what? I'm just going to say it's spicy soppressata.
There's like a very specific kind of like spice flavor profile to a soppressata, you know? It's like black pepper, fennel.
I think I'm already doing better than I did with cheese. And I was vegetarian for 21 years.
Jeez Louise.
It's like a little bit upsetting how slippery and wet this is.
Not liking this already.
This is kind of wet. Ew.
Oh, hello.
Wow, this one is slippery.
It's very bouncy.
We're definitely sure this is okay and food safe, yeah?
What is happening?
Why is it a half circle? Is it not a full? Is it cut?
This feels gelatinous. Honestly, this is giving me lunch meat vibes.
It's wet. It's cold. It's thick. It's smushy.
Bologna or mortadella?
I've never eaten bologna before because it just looks disgusting. So this is bologna. Oh, God.
I think I know exactly what this is. That's bologna.
It's bologna.
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 I don't think I've eaten this for 25 years. This tastes like Oscar Mayer bologna.
I think it's mortadella.
Mortadella.
This feels like bologna, but I don't think you guys would do bologna. So I'm gonna say it's mortadella. It's bologna? Oh, you guys are the worst.
Bologna.
Oh, I think it's bologna. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't want to eat any more of this. I'm just going to say bologna.
Bologna and mortadella is basically the same thing.
Mortadella is often like a little bit drier than bologna.
It doesn't have the nuance of mortadella.
This is like my childhood right here. I would never mistake this for anything else.
This?
Yep.
This guy.
Greasy boy. Thin and tender. Very funky.
What is happening? It's really strandy. I don't like it at all.
Very similar to the first one. It feels a little bit finer. You definitely feel some fat strands in there.
This is really fatty.
Ribbons of fat.
It's kind of tough. Smells agey, tastes agey.
I mean, I think this is just prosciutto.
Prosciutto?
Prosciutto.
The similar flavor-wise would be maybe like Iberico ham, but I don't think it's Iberico. Usually there's a little bit more texture in Iberico, but I might just be making myself look like an idiot right now.
It's like too fatty to be a prosciutto.
It's not reading prosciutto. Oh, this one's bugging me.
It doesn't feel great in my hands.
Is this the copa?
Guanciale?
Very acorny. I want to say prosciutto, but I think Iberico.
Nailed it.
Nailed it!
Iberico ham?
I don't know if y'all are like spendy enough to spend on Jamon Iberico, but it definitely tastes like some sort of Spanish ham. I'm gonna go with like a jamon.
I don't know. I'm sort of tapped out on that one.
It is Jamon Iberico.
Oh, it is Iberico. Wow. Interesting.
Okay, this is the prosciutto. I mean, but now I'm like, are you like pulling a fast one on me? And is this like Jamon Iberico? All right, it's jamon. It's jamon.
It is Jamon Iberico.
Close. Very close to prosciutto.
All right, how many do I have left?
Last one.
I really hope this isn't like blood sausage, y'all. I've never had that before either, so that would be a first for me.
Oh, what's this wet little number here? Oh, I don't know about this, boys.
Feels weird.
This is so weird.
Weird and spongy.
So this is interesting. This one's like kind of loose.
It seems like it's something that was sliced thick.
So it's like something in a casing.
It feels more like the coarseness of just like a regular sausage, like smoked paprika, tangy.
It's pretty,
There's also like a lot of sweetness.
Really different. Okay, this is a fresh sausage that's been cooked, I think.
This isn't a fresh sausage that was cooked.
Oh, no. Oh, no. It's not very good. Is that meat?
There's like a lot of spice. The texture is super strange. Like it almost feels rubbery.
I don't think I've had anything like this before.
My first thought is like a Mexican-style chorizo.
Spanish chorizo?
I mean, I'll just say chorizo, even though I don't think that's right.
There's a lot of spice, a lot of garlic. I'm gonna say like a spicy Italian sausage.
That's not. That's vegetarian sausage or something.
Vegan sausage.
Oh,
That is not fair!
ugh, you sick bastards.
Did I get you?
Oh my god. Tofu. It's not meat.
It's like a fake meat product, right?
It's got sort of like a tofu-esque quality to it, but it's like there's so much spice in it. It's kind of overwhelming, but I'm not exactly sure.
I'm just gonna guess like vegan cured meats, not meats.
So you said this is a cured meat tasting.
That's cheating.
So that we both lose on that one.
Not my favorite of the bunch.
It's like clearly imitating sausage, and it just has that like crunchy tofu vegan vibe. No offense.
That's not bad. That's really not bad for vegan sausage.
Is this just like really shitty pepperoni or something?
It is vegan sausage.
So shitty pepperoni.
So, how do you think you did?
Terrible. I don't deserve to be in these hallowed halls. That's the first and the last time you'll see me.
I feel like I got like a C+, B- maybe.
Best test I ever took in my life. That's an A. B+ anyway. That was disgusting.
Oh my god, that bologna. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that.
Rick
Okay.
only got 2.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, who's the super taster now, Chris?
The Chinese sausage, that one I'm a little bit annoyed about just because the sweetness was probably a giveaway, but I don't know, just like wasn't expecting it.
I feel like there are like these distinct categories, and within them there's so much subtlety, you know, like the difference between bologna mortadella, the difference between, you know, country ham, prosciutto, jamon. Like it's tricky.
This really makes you rethink your relationship to cured meats.